Story. I was invited to meet with the company's CEO to discuss the company's transition to what he called the lean flow production process. He thought they were on track, but they weren't seeing the financial benefits he needed, and he wanted another opinion. He had over 60 internal and external consultants working on his lean flow waste elimination programs with events around the corporation. Some were completed and others were still in process. In evaluating their program, I noticed there wasn't a single SOE. They were sort of using a departmental routing. They were still scheduling, but calling them Kanban schedules. All inventory was floor stocked. Inventory accuracy was a big problem. They were still using labor-based tracking and costing. Oof. They had trailers filled with inventory in the back parking lot. The material planning was a best guess at best. External inspection was buried, and that's kind of a starting point. We talked about first designing the flow process, designing quality into the process, then implementing a Kanban pull process to get material into the process. And then as far as perfecting the process, let's design it first. We'll perfect it ongoing. But the design process is seriously flawed. Their evolutionary approach would never get them to a flow process, nor the double-digit inventory turnover target or demand-driven targets they needed. You can never blame someone for not knowing the unknown. They had no idea that there was a technology path that they could follow. I trained them. He took it from there. He parted ways with the external consultants. They used DFT as their roadmap internally based upon the technology of DFT. The last time I visited, they were well on the way to being demand-driven with market leadership, in-process TQC, with realistic and achievable zero working capital targets. The power of the DFT tools and a committed leadership is impressive. My hat goes off to them for their leadership and willing to follow a path. DFT is a revolution in design and an evolution to perfection, with the sequence of events as a key item in that foundation.